The background is that the State Elections Commission does clean up essentially the voter rolls every so often. It sends a postcard to people who may have moved to say, hey, do you still live here? If the postcard comes back, great. If it doesn't, then they're supposed to look at ways to pull them off the rolls, make sure we don't have people who are registered the wrong address. Back last year, the commission sent out the postcards, had somebody come back and said, okay, when should we do this cleanup? And the decision was, we'll do it later, essentially, okay, after the election. Wisconsin's for Law and Liberty say, no, you have to do this now. It went to Ozaukee County Court, got an order from that judge to print the rolls now. The commission deadlocked 3-3 about doing that, said we can't agree on whether to do this right now. It's only a circuit court judge's decision. We'll wait for more. That circuit court judge issued basically penalized issued a contempt order for the members of the commission that wouldn't follow with his order. The state Supreme Court's asked to take the case directly, deadlocked, said we can't agree about taking this. So went to the appeals court first. Now it's back, and the question at the heart of this is, when does the commission have to clean up the rolls about people who may have moved? Because remember, there are false positives, I guess you could call them, where people who identified as possibly having moving hadn't moved and could get pulled off the rolls. Now, there's this back and forth about, hey, in Wisconsin, we have these safeguards such as you can register at the polls up to election day. However, if you don't bring what you need to register the polls election day, it causes you a problem, right? It's all playing out against backdrop of possibly us being a tipping point. And yes, to your point, I don't know when the court's going to rule, but Justice Rebecca Bradley, a conservative, when the court first deadlocked whether to take the appeal, said, if we don't take it now, essentially, it's not going to happen until after the November election. So I feel fairly confident we're not going to see a decision prior to November 3rd.